What's going on, guys? Today's video, I'm going to make a quick video about how to adjust your eBay settings, even though all your thermal printing settings are key and locked in, but you're still getting a sideways print. This is an example. I won't go too close to protect my buyer's information. As you can see here, this is a 4x6 and it literally printed sideways way too small with the barcode, etc. So we need to fix this so I'm not wasting thermal printing paper. And what you need to do is in your eBay settings, you need to go to print label. This is where obviously you would input the measurements or what kind of packaging you want. And again, I was gonna use screen capture, but this video is gonna be pretty quick. I've covered up my buyer and my information up here. Right below your address and the buyer's address, you're gonna see more, or it might be already dropped down on the right-hand side. Now, as you drop that menu down, you will actually see your buyer right there, which I've covered up, priority mail, etc. Now let's go ahead and look at this right here. Print format, I have actually set to 8 inches by 11. That's why, unfortunately, it's a PDF. I need to change that. So now we get this menu here when we want to change it. Go ahead and keep it in the PDF, but we need to change this. Now, if you go back to printer paper and you want to cut it out and tape over it, then go back to this one, but we want to do the 4x6. If you want the receipt and instructions, go ahead and click on that. I don't, I just want the 4x6. You can do 2x7 as well. After you've already clicked on 4x6, go ahead and save that. And now we are saved 4x6. Now to double check it before you do print it, hit preview. Once you click preview, this sample will show up, and that's exactly what we want. Select the proper printer and go ahead and print it out on your Dymo or other thermal label printer. Definitely helped save me some trouble figuring that out. So thank you so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if it has helped you. Look in the description box below. Subscribe on your way out and check out the channel. I got a lot of other eBay tips and tricks videos as well. We'll see you on the next one. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.